Since 1947, we've grown from a small window screen business into one of the largest and most respected window and door manufacturers in North America. Our journey has been defined by a relentless focus on 5 pillars that shape who we are and where we're going: manufacturing, innovation, trust, experiences, and relationships. Together, they form the acronym MITER, a name that captures the heart of our company. These aren't just words, they're what we live every day, everywhere. Manufacturing is at the core of everything we do. With more than 24 manufacturing facilities across the country, our skilled team members craft high-performance, energy-efficient windows and doors. Products that combine durability, beauty, and precision every single day. Innovation drives us forward. From our roots in screen fabrication to today's advanced window and door solutions, we've never stood still. We invest in new technologies, processes, and ideas that make our products better and our customers' lives easier. Trust is the backbone of our culture. We trust our team members to do the right thing, our partners to grow with us, and our customers to count on us. That mutual trust is how we've built lasting partnerships across the country. Experiences matter, whether it's the feeling of a sun-filled room through one of our windows or the smooth glide of a patio door. We believe in creating everyday moments that elevate people's lives. At the center of it all are relationships. Because at MITER Brands, we're a people-first business. We know that when we invest in each other, great things happen for our team, our customers, and our communities. That's what MITER stands for. It's more than a name, it's a promise. It's the future of the window and door industry, and we're building it together.